Hey there, AI enthusiasts and aspiring YouTube entrepreneurs. Ever wondered how those motivational channels are raking in serious cash with their captivating shorts? Well, today is your lucky day because we're about to dive into the exciting world of crafting some crazy epic motivational shorts to rake in those views on YouTube, TikTok, or even Instagram. But first, let me show you what we're aiming for. Take a look at this Instagram account. He's got 629K followers and raking in millions of views for each of his motivational reels. You'll notice all of these videos have the same powerful voiceovers, mesmerizing visuals, and that dark, mysterious feel that hooks viewers instantly. And the best part? We're going to break down exactly how to create shorts like these using the power of AI. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned. Ready? Let's jump in. Alright, so our first step is to find a popular motivational speech on YouTube. Once you've got it, scroll to the bottom of that video and you should see the transcript section. Click on the Show Transcript button and that should bring up the transcript of the video on the side. This may come up with timestamps next to it, but if you click on the three-dot icon next to it and click Toggle Timestamps, it should remove those and allow you to highlight the text and copy it. Step 2. Head on over to ChatGPT. Paste in that transcript. Once you've pasted it in, type in the following prompt. Make me a viral and motivating 1-minute speech using the above. This will generate you an epic motivational speech. You can always do further modifications to this. Step 3. Time to give your creation a voice. Head over to 11 Labs. Pick a voice that resonates with power and confidence. If the standard voices available are not quite what you're looking for, you can always source out other voices by heading on over to the voice library where you can select from a wide variety of voices. We're looking for a voice that sounds deep and evokes confidence. I'm going with Marcus. Once you've got the voice you like, paste the transcript into 11 Labs, click Generate, and download your epic voiceover that's ready to inspire. Now, let's make your video visually stunning. Hit up Pexels or your favorite stock footage site. Find imagery that screams success. Think exotic destinations, luxury lifestyles, sports cars. I recommend downloading around 3-4 images or videos. For the music, head on over to a site like Pixabay that offers royalty-free music. Step 5. Time to bring it all together in your favorite video editor. I've chosen CapCut. Import your footage and voiceover, then let your creativity flow. Reduce each clip to about 3 to 5 seconds to keep them short and snappy and maintain attention. Add the fade-out transition in the Transitions panel to all the clips one by one. Remember to reduce the brightness to create that dark and motivational vibe that attracts viewers. Now add captions by going to Captions and then Auto Captions and click Generate. Once they've generated, you can also edit these captions to make them look more engaging. Add in your epic soundtrack, remembering to reduce the volume before posting. With that, you can now export your video. And there you have it, folks. With the power of AI and a few simple steps, you've created a viral motivational short that's ready to dominate social media and line your pockets with over $8,000 a month. But why stop there? Take it to the next level by creating your own online course or ebook with AI and attach the link to the description of your short video. The opportunities are endless. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to use AI to boost your income, subscribe to the channel and remember to hit that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in.